We don't have to talk, just hold each other through the rain. Each of us has wrestled with our thoughts, and we're weary from the strain. If we'd stop, we'd realize that we both want to make it through, no matter where we've been or where we've been brought to. After all the time we spent with one another, the postcards that you sent are still on my kitchen table. One thing should be very clear for each of us to see: I'm not out to hurt you, and I know you care about me. So hold me through the rain, just let it all go now, and hold me through the rain. It's so good to know that the storm is only passing through. There'll be sunny skies again. Every storm comes to an end with the gently falling rain. We started down this road so free from complications. One of our hearts we own. We gave with good intentions, but that's just where the struggle starts. We're on the road to discovering our hearts. It's in this world of two. Our uncertainties come through. So hold me through the rain. Just let it all go now, and hold me through the rain. It's so good to know that the storm is only passing through. There'll be sunny skies again. Every storm comes to an end with the gently falling rain. The storm is only passing through. There'll be sunny skies again. Every storm comes to an end with the gently falling rain. The gently falling rain. So hold